I love sweet potatoes. Apologies in advance for how I sound. I have to go slow because I'm still really sick, and too much talking brings on a fit. We don't need that. So this was in the air fryer. Okay, this is 136 kilo of sweet potato, or 3 pounds, that I got at Aldi's. All of this was $1, which was really cool. So I had it in for 30 minutes, 400 F, 200 C. I think it's done. It feels, look at that. Oh, this is my first time doing big old baked sweet potatoes. Let's try it. It's really hot. Like, duh, right? It's done. You can see it's done. I can't get it open. I can't get it open and not knock over my camera. All right, let's look at that. Oh, there it is. Sweet potatoes in the air fryer. Oh, I love this thing. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Wait. I'm not done yet. I'm never done yet. All right, so these little guys are done, right? Let's move them out. But how about this big honking one? Ooh, did you see that? Was that in film? Oh, I can't get too excited. I get too excited and I'm gonna cough. How can this be done? All right, I'm gonna try. No, not gonna try that. All right. It's really hot. It's a hot potato. I can't even open it. Ooh, I got it. I'm just gonna drop that. All right, let's see. Let's see if the inside of this big buster is done. No, he's not done yet. Okay, but it's still really close. So that's 30 minutes. I'm gonna stick these in a little bit longer. The little ones are done, and I am just craving sweet potato. So I'm gonna have a bowl of that. I'm gonna show you what the outside looks like right now too. Let's see. So same as yesterday. This is the view that I get to look at though when I'm over here. Okay, guys, I hope you're all having a great 2018, and I will see you next time. Hopefully, I'll be sounding a little bit better and feeling a little bit better. And for everyone else who is sick out there, I hope you feel better as well. Being sick sucks wet monkey balls. Let me tell you that. That's it. I'm Ivy, the Happy Whisk. Over and out. See you next time.